Okay, so this is going to be a super easy DIY, like marble tabletop, transforming this sad looking side table into something more acceptable. Have it laid out over here so you can kind of get an idea of what it will look like. And everything that I use I will link in the description. So the supplies you're going to need are this adhesive, like vinyl marble sticker. I got mine on Amazon. I will link it. You're going to need scissors. You're going to need a measuring tape. You're going to need sandpaper of some kind, and then a pen or pencil. So what I did, you can sand the furniture first if you like, but what I did first was I just measured the side table, cut the pieces into a little bit more than, like 5 centimeters more than the length of it, just in case, because it's better to be too long than, you know, too short. So I wish it would have been like the perfect size where I didn't have to cut those small pieces, but unfortunately. I'm going to start with this table, and I am going to sand it down, and then we're going to come back and put on the marble. I'm so excited because this looks like shit, to be honest.
My intuition is telling me there'll be better days. Yeah. My intuition is telling me there'll be better days. I like this tone.
Okay, so I have sanded it, and now I'm going to lay the marble adhesive. So I'm going to lay these small pieces first so that I'll be able to put this over it, and you won't see, hopefully you won't see the edges of it.